What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Key10. I'm bringing you guys another video. I am going to be unboxing some sneakers, but I do know what's in these, and these are for resale. So I'll tell you guys what I paid, what I plan to sell them for, show you some wins and some losses. So let's get into it. The first one, I know what these two top ones are, and they're not reselling at all. That. I actually have multiple pairs of these. It's a size 12. Believe I paid $235 for these, but they are not easy. I mean, I would lose money if I were to sell them. That's the Yeezy Sand Tops, or however you say them. Not a bad shoe. I think it's actually very nice, but resale is just not there. So this is what it is. When they released, I was planning on going for sizes like under 7, and for some reason I decided not to stick to that. I still got some under 7, which is, yeah, they actually have resale right now, but picked up like 4 of them that were out of the size range I wanted, and all of those, what am I gonna do with them? These ones I actually got jammed up because I paid $27 shipping. So I guess I lost $27, but it's part of the game. These are the same shoe, just in the size 13. There's other ones were a size 12, so if anybody wants them, I will literally give them to you for what I paid. It's like $245 on this and $235 on the other one. If anyone's interested in that, you can let me know. And yeah, like I said, I'll give them to you for what I paid. Those are like limited, will sell out, and are harder to get your hands on. But what's in this box was sitting on the website, and they had a sale, and that's how I got them, to make money. And I think I know off the top of my head how much I paid for everything. It's been a minute, but I'll get into it. And I got one more of these boxes coming, and I probably will not film a YouTube video for it, but I mean, I think that one has just shoes that are in here, so I probably won't film a YouTube video on it. And I'll tell you guys how you can do this and make money. I mean, how long it takes, and what I would suggest. I don't do this all the time, but whenever I find a good deal, I can't pass it up. Some packing paper. I'm not 100% for sure exactly how many shoes are in here. I don't know. Let's get into it. So these are a Blazer Mid 77. These are pretty cool. I got these in a size 11, and I have 2 pairs of these. Brand new, pretty clean. You can see it's got like the snake skin right there. I like this tongue. It's kind of like an off-white tongue, kind of stiff like that. But like I said, these were all sitting on a website for a sneaker store, and they're running a deal like 30% off or whatever. So, or is that actually 50% off? And I was able to pick all these up for half of what they were. So these I paid, I want to say $50 for. And when I was buying these, if I could make $10 to $15, I was like, that's fine with me, because all in all, like buying them, getting them, this will take longer, but I usually wouldn't unbox it this long, and shipping it is like less than an hour. I mean, and some people might be like, oh, why would you spend $50 to make $10? I'm like, well, first off, that's 20% ROI, which is pretty good. You can like pay with a credit card, so it's zero money out of your bank account. You can get a cash back credit card, so you're actually getting cash back or flight miles. I mean, I'm not really gonna go into that because that'd be like a whole nother video. So if someone actually wants to learn how to do that, I mean, I can explain it. Right here, I got another size 11. So these were like the ones I think I would make the least amount of money on. I'm not gonna show you guys because I just showed you these, but if anybody wants these, I'm pretty sure the retail is $100. So if you walk in the Foot Locker finish line, it's $100. I'll let them go for 70. And I really like those. Those are actually super clean. But these are the Nike Court Vintage Premiums, and I got these in a size 9.5. These are actually pretty clean. These are some low top white Nikes. I don't really think you can go wrong with these. They're pretty clean. You get to see you got like this yellow on the tongue right there. I mean, really just a clean shoe. And these, I believe I got for a steal. I picked up a couple pairs of them, I think. And these, I want to say I paid $30. So that's not bad, spending $30. And even if I just make 10, that's 33% of my money, which, I mean, you can't really complain with that. So right now I have 3 pairs of shoes. This is 4. This is the same one in a size 10. I mean, you can't go wrong with these. Super clean. So I got a size 9.5 and 10 of these. If anybody wants them, I'll sell them to you for $50. You can just hit me up on DMs, the link in bio for a reselling page. There's a receipt, but it does not say the price. These are a size 9.5 in men's, 11 in women's Air Max 90. Besides the see these in hand. They're actually very nice. I don't know if the backlight's gonna make these, but these are called Hyper Jade, Air Max 90 Hyper Jades. Super clean. I believe the retail on these was 100, and I think I got them for 50. And I also have another one of those, size 9 in men's, 10.5 in women's. Super clean. Yeah, the light definitely messes with that color of it, I believe. You can see it actually pretty good right there. Pretty clean. And all these, when I did buy them, it wasn't like I was just buying them and like, oh, I'm gonna sell them. Or I mean, like I don't know who I'm gonna sell them to. I checked the market. I knew I could sell them to make money. So like, it was honestly risk-free. Anybody could do this. It doesn't take a special talent, or I mean, just it's time-consuming to look for the deals. But I don't spend a lot of time doing this. I just do it every once in a while. But I mean, a lot of people do this all the time. And these are what I'm excited for. I think I'm missing a pair. Yeah. I don't know, but these are the Nike Auto Adapts. The Adapt Max. Boom. These are the ones that auto lace. So that's pretty cool. These ones, the retail is $400. So I picked them up for $200, and this is a size 14. This is a tank of a shoe. I don't really think anybody will buy these on my Instagram, but I checked the market and someone placed a bid right now for like $380. So if I sell them, I'll make $120 just off this shoe. So these are very cool, actually. I've never seen these in hand. This is a huge box, but these are super nice. And like I said, I paid $200. The retail's $400, and they were just sitting there. And then this website had a flash 50% off, the booklet it comes with. And I got on there in time, and luckily got a pair. And I have like 7 pairs total. Not of this kind, but of this shoe in general. And this one, I actually bought 2 of them, and one of them came in the mail. So I don't know what's up with that. It should be 2. So, but these I think are pretty clean. These are size 11 auto adapts, super clean, brand new. These are called the Jetstream, I believe. It's the same thing, the auto lace. So these are size 11. I actually have 2 pairs of these size 11, and I got some more on the way. But these are the same thing. Retail's $400. So if somebody wanted them for $300, I'm making money and they're saving $100. So it's a win-win situation. I look at it as kind of like I put in the work to find the shoe, so it's kind of like a finder's fee while saving them $100. So it's really like a win-win situation. But like I said, all this will, all in all, take probably less than like an hour, if I'm being honest. I just realized I do not have a box all 50s, so hopefully I have some somewhere. We will see, but that is a very brief just unboxing, just kind of trying to document what I do, so that maybe it'll motivate somebody if they want to do it. I mean, you can always reach out and ask questions. I'm not stingy. If I got time, I can answer it. I'm pretty busy, but I mean, I can connect in between doing things. So if anybody would like to know how to do that, or you can drop a comment and I can make a video about how to find these deals. It's not like easy, but it takes a lot of time. But once you get the hang of it, you can start to do it more and, you know, make, you know, $200, $300, $400, $500 in an hour, and you really don't have to do much. It gets delivered to your front door. You slap a label on it and you sell it and make money. So it's not as easy as it sounds, but if you get the hang of it, you can definitely make some money. I appreciate it. You can follow my Instagram down below. If you want any of these shoes, let me know. I probably won't post them on there just because I'm pretty bad at posting shoes that I have. But if anybody sees these and they want a pair, reach out. They may have been sold, maybe not. I'll give you a good deal if you want. But I appreciate you watching. If you could drop a like on the comment, subscribe, and I'll be back for some more videos soon. Thank you.